Duck Diggler in the house. Yeah. Let me get a better shot over here.
Have some bloody chocolate, mate.
Bloody chocolate. I don't know if I want bloody chocolate, but
it's bloody.
Let's see how good it is.
This Papi'S only the best, mate.
Only the best.
Only the best. Hey, trust me, boys. From Scotland, this place is bloody amazing. Rangers Football Club, great people, great food, and lots of chocolate.
Some bloody good chocolate.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
But he likes peanut butter. I don't hate that stuff.
Denny B, what do you think?
I think it's great. If you're in town, make sure you come down to Drake and eat at Papi'S place.
Yeah. There's Duck Diggler. There you go. What do you think about Duck Diggler? You scared? You scared?
Yeah. I say yeah.
Don't be scared. It's good. It's a good duck. It's a good duck. Don't worry about Duck Diggler. He's happy. There you go. You're not afraid of the duck, are you? All right.
Kids are happy.
Nice. Thanks, Duck Diggler. Thanks for coming out and making an appearance.
Thank you, Diggler. Thank you.
Say bye-bye. Surprise.
Straight ahead, Duck. Straight ahead, Duck. Oh, you took the head off. Oh, no. Who is it? It's Aaliyah. I didn't know it was Aaliyah in there. Come on. Oh my goodness. A lot of people in Papi'S tonight enjoying all of the food. There's Mercy, there's Jet, there's Marcos. Everybody's having a good time. Denny B's over here.
Always a great time here.
Mr. Bill's over here.
All the way from Scotland to here, I wouldn't stay anywhere else. The food is amazing, living proof. I love it.
All right.
I love it.
Excellent.
And I mean that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, my friend.
It's absolutely fantastic food. And honestly, what can I say, guys? Look at this, living proof.
Living proof right here.
All the way from Scotland, you got to get it. Let's go Rangers in the wall.
That's right. You got the Glasgow Rangers. You know what? Mr. Bill here is the man that brought the flag.
I am.
Yeah, he brought the flags over here. Let's go check them out.
Absolutely.
Mr. Bill brought the flags over here from Scotland or England and the Rangers, the Scottish football team, the Rangers right here.
And tomorrow night we have a big game. I'm going to watch it here at Papi'S live.
Yeah.
So if you want to see Rangers, come Sunday night, 7 o'clock kickoff. I'll be here watching it. And I'll tell you what, guys, I'm going to have lots of beer and lots of good food.
Yeah, come on over and watch the game. The Rangers game is on at Papi'S.
Mate, I'm not joking. This is the only place I would come to watch Rangers and eat food, good people, and great beer and good prices. I love it.
Nice.
Cheers, lads.
Not a paid promotion, everybody. Not a paid promotion.
It's the truth. It's the truth.
I didn't pay this guy to say anything. I promise you. He's staying at the Drake.
Oh, it's brilliant, guys. It's absolutely a brilliant place. You've got to get over here. The staff are lovely. Eric's nice, and his lovely wife from Mexico. What else can you ask for? And it's good Rangers and good beer.
Good times, good food here at Papi'S, the Drake Hotel. It's only $9.99 a night, man. $9.99.
I'm staying here. What a steal.
$200 off your food at Papi'S every day you stay at the Drake. 200 credit towards the restaurant.
And the best hangover breakfast ever is American breakfast.
Yeah.
I got up at 3 in the morning, and what was the thing to think about? Come downstairs for breakfast. 7 o'clock I was down. What an idiot. But it was worth it.
That's it.
And I mean it, guys. Hey,
Get
I'm
up at
not-
7 and have a hangover breakfast,
It's
right?
brilliant. Seriously, guys, it's brilliant. And I mean it.